Have you ever wondered how that smart little gadget on your wrist comes to life? You know, that piece of tech wizardry that not only tells time but also counts your steps, monitors your heart rate, keeps you connected to the world, and sometimes even pays for your coffee. It's truly a marvel of modern technology, isn't it? But how does this tiny powerhouse come into being? What sorcery transforms a handful of circuits, chips, and glass into a smartwatch that seems to know you better than you know yourself? These are the questions that keep us up at night. The prevalence of smartwatches in our lives is undeniable, as they've become an extension of ourselves, a digital companion that's always by our side, or rather, on our wrist. Now, isn't it time we unravel this magic? Well, buckle up, because we are about to embark on a fascinating journey through the intricate world of smartwatch manufacturing. The journey of a smartwatch begins with an idea, a vision of a device that is both functional and fashionable. Our designers start by sketching concepts, playing around with various shapes, sizes, and styles. They dream up futuristic models, sleek, minimalist designs, and even vintage-inspired looks. No idea is too wild in this phase. Next comes the balance of aesthetics and practicality. It's not just about creating a beautiful watch, it's about designing a device that can withstand daily wear and tear, remain comfortable on your wrist, and hold all the necessary tech components. Our designers work closely with engineers, ensuring each model can house a heart rate monitor, a GPS, a battery, and more, while still looking stunning. The final design is a blend of art and science, a testament to human ingenuity. Every curve, every material, every button is thoughtfully considered and meticulously crafted. Once the design is finalized, it's time to bring that blueprint to life. The heart of a smartwatch is its tiny yet sophisticated components. Each component of a smartwatch, whether it's the microprocessor, memory chips, sensors, or display, is a mini marvel of technology. Let's take a closer look at how these crucial components are manufactured. First up, the microprocessor. This is the brain of the smartwatch, responsible for processing all the data. It's produced by a process called photolithography, where an intricate circuit design is imprinted onto a silicon wafer. It's a bit like printing a newspaper, but instead of ink, we're using light. And instead of paper, it's silicon, and well, it's a lot smaller. Next, we have the memory chips. These small storage devices are made by etching silicon layers onto a semiconductor wafer. It's a process that requires precision down to the nanometer. The sensors and display components are also meticulously crafted, needing a high level of care and attention to detail. With all the components ready, it's time for the assembly. This is where the magic happens, the assembly line. We've arrived at the exciting part, where all the pieces come together, and the smartwatch begins to take shape. Picture a symphony, but instead of instruments, we have components, and instead of musicians, we have machines and skilled artisans. In the first act, the watch casing is prepared to house the intricate technology. Automated machines, with their unerring precision, place the tiny, complex components into the casing. It's a dance of technology where every move is calculated and precise. In the second act, skilled workers take the stage. With steady hands and sharp eyes, they ensure that every component fits perfectly. They are the maestros, fine-tuning the symphony to perfection. Each smartwatch is a testament to this incredible harmony between man and machine. And as the final part is fitted, the smartwatch comes alive, ready to serve. With assembly complete, it's time for the final touch. Before the smartwatch lands on your wrist, it has to pass the ultimate test. This isn't a pop quiz or a spelling bee, but a grueling series of evaluations designed to ensure its readiness for the real world. This is the testing and quality assurance phase. Each smartwatch undergoes rigorous testing to ensure it meets the highest quality standards. Think of it as the watch's final exam, where it has to prove its worth. The functionality of the device is tested first. Can it tell time accurately? Does it sync with your phone correctly? Are the apps running smoothly? Then durability tests are conducted. Is it strong enough to survive a drop from your wrist? Will it withstand a splash of water or a sudden downpour? Finally, it's subjected to various environmental factors. Can it endure extreme temperatures, humidity, or even high altitude? Once the smartwatch has passed all tests, it is ready to make its way to your wrist. From a mere concept to a fully functional device, the journey of a smartwatch is indeed a marvel. A brainchild of design and engineering, it starts as a blueprint, gets crafted into individual components, Before being assembled into the tech wizardry we wear, each step is a testament to human ingenuity, blending complexity with sophistication. So as we wrap up, let's appreciate this intricately woven tapestry of technology. So next time you glance at a smartwatch, remember the intricate journey it has undertaken to land on your wrist.